Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to show you guys how you can use this kind of effect on your phone while you are joining the Zoom meeting. As you can see right now, I'm using this kind of effects on the iPhone. If you look at the participants, you can see there are two people over here, my name and the iPhone that I'm using right now with this kind of effects. I can also change any other effects that I like, for example with this one. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this as well. Let's get started. Okay, so in order to do this, all you have to do is to download one application we call Snow. Yeah, you can also download the Snapchat. If you already installed Snapchat, you don't have to download Snow. But personally, I like Snow a lot because there are a lot of effects. As you can see now, I can change to any types of effects I like. It looks cool, right? So after this, what you're gonna do next is to go to your Zoom. In Zoom, all you have to do is to press share and share screen, and then start broadcast. Because now I'm recording the screen on this iPhone, so I'm not able to broadcast right now. And then you have to notify the host. So make sure that the host allows all participants to share the screen. Basically, by default, the tick is up here. One participant can share at a time. So you need to notify the host. Let the host know that your phone does not support the virtual background and you need the third-party application in order to show effects or the virtual background. And then the host have to select the second one. Now you are able to share the screen on your phone. So go to press share content, screen, and start broadcast. As you can see, okay, now you are sharing your screen. So just go to the Snow. Yep, as you can see that now I'm using the effect. I'm sharing the screen to the class. So the class, everybody in the Zoom can see me with this kind of effects. Okay, so that's pretty much it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next videos. Thanks.